Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all my class 3 students have completed their work in the copy. Previous work given by me in the last class. The diagrams to draw, that is about water cycle. Then 3 forms of water, that is the solid, liquid and gaseous form, that is the steam, the gaseous, ice, the solid, and water in a glass of water or normal water lying on the floor in the form of water form, that is liquid form. Now, along with that, I gave you long answers, short answers. We have already discussed the exercises and the answers also in the previous class. Before that, we have already discussed them. In the last class, I gave you the PDFs to write the answer. Now, one more thing, today along with this explanation, there were some oral questions. By chance, it was missed in the PDF. So, I've attached it. Kindly complete it with the previous chapter work. Okay. So, with that, we come to an end of the previous chapter work and also the things that are included in the syllabus for summative assessment 3, that is for your final exams. Now, we'll be starting with the course which was topics which were not able to be completed up till now or left due to the from the exams. So, we'll complete these topics. The work given will be done in the book. If anything need to be done in the copy, I'll inform you. So, whatever I'm teaching, go through the chapters, learn, read them and then do the work in the book only. But it is your priority to complete all the work in the fair copy which is given up till now. That is the last chapter, air, water and weather. Okay. So let's start the chapter our body system. We'll start the chapter our body system. Now we have the human body is a very complex body. Why? It has lots of functions. It doesn't have one function. It have lots and lots of functions. We have eyes to see, but in our eyes there are a lot of parts. Then we have our breathing system, we have the digestion system, we are having excretory system. So whatever we are eating or drinking, it is all our going through a system and then getting digested and then we are gaining energy. So let's see our body system, that means the body parts that we have and how to do the read it and let's know about it. What all organs we have, how we use them, what are the uses of them and how it functions. A car runs on a road and a binocular helps you to see things that are far away or far away from us. So these all are machines. You want to go from one place to another, you use a car. You want to see something which is far away from you, like suppose you are standing in your home and you want to see something of the next side to the home. So either you see from the balcony. If it is not visible, then you use a binocular. They cannot do their work on their own. Now these machines are totally dependent on you. Can car be driven by on its own? No. Either it needs a autopilot mode or you need to drive it. But our body machine which works on its own. Now our body is a machine, it's a machine also, these organs and all, but it all functions on it. You eat your food, the digestion process starts. You lie down on the bed, the sleeping process starts. You drink water, the body intakes it. You breathe, the respiratory system starts. You feel, you touch something hot, the sensory system all of a sudden tells you that this is hot. So this is our body system. It is a kind of a machine which works on its own. It doesn't need any instruction. It is being controlled by our brain, and when it is controlled by our brain, it follows the instruction on its own and it reacts whatever is required. So the organs, we see through our eyes, we see with our eyes. Then we hear with the help of our ears. We have ears, 2 eyes. We taste things with the help of our tongue. On our tongue, we have small taste buds. If you touch your tongue, you can feel very small taste buds are there, and with that you can taste different things. We smell with our nose, we feel with our skin. Now, all of a sudden, if your hand touches something hot, you can feel it. You touch a ice, you can feel it. So how you feel the temperature of the things? Even you can feel the textures also. You see, if there is a very soft cloth, you can feel it. If your denims and jeans are there, you can feel the textures. How? So with the sense to feel of your skin only. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our five sense organs. These are our five sense organs. All these organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. Now these all organs are connected to our brain through the nerves. You can see the diagram over here. Our hand and legs help us to do many tasks. Now if you have to go somewhere, your legs will help you. Even if you have to eat your food, your hands help you. You cannot eat them directly. So our hands and our legs are the most important part. Why? It helps us to perform different tasks. Whatever we want. If you want to taste a sweet, some rasgulla or something, but for that you will get up from your place, you'll walk with your legs, go to that place where the sweet is available, with your hand pick it up and then put it in your mouth. Then only you can taste it. So these help you to perform the duties or any task given to you. Then these all are our external organs. External organ means your hands, legs, which is all visible from the outside and you can see them. There are many internal organs. I told you na, inside our body is a very complex. Human body is very complex. There are a lot of many parts. So this we have lot of internal organs. Inside our body, some of these are lungs, heart, kidney. So organ system, our body is made up of cells. Our body is made up of organ system. Our body is made up of cells. Now cells, if we tell what is cells, cells are the smallest part of our body which come and join together to make a body. Lot of millions and billions of cells are there in a body. They join together to make the body. A group of similar cells performing a particular function is called tissue. Now when these small cells come together and perform a similar function, they become tissue. A group of tissue performing a particular function is called organ. Now cells when come together become tissue. Tissue, when lot of tissues perform same function, they become an organ. Suppose if I say what kind of an organ, it can be any part, your heart, your lungs, any organ of your body, internal as well as external organ. Now when a group of organs work together to perform a common function is called organ system. Now when suppose any organ come together and perform any function or any task to complete it, it is called organ system. There are many organ systems in our body. Many organs. Suppose one system is only to breathe, the other system is only to digest your food, another system is only to give out whatever extra or unrequired food is there in the body. One system is to make you think only, one system is to make you see only. So they are different organ systems. Now skeleton system. You all know our body is made up of muscles and bones. So these bones when come together and form a body, it is called the skeleton system. Bones is a solid and hard substance of our body. It is one of the most hardest substance. There are 206 bones. How many bones we have in our body? We have 206 bones, total bone. But again I tell you, there is a little bit variation. When the child is very small, till the time it grows into an adult, there are a lot of changes in the body. So it may vary from the size or the age of the child. According to them, they have bones. When the child is very small, they have some bones extra. But as they grow up, those bones merge and they form one bone. So they have in final 206 bones. An adult person have 206 bones in an adult human. All the bones come together to form or frame work called skeleton system. Now it makes our skeleton. All these bones join together and make a skeleton. Skeleton gives shape and support to our body. It protects all the internal organs like heart, lungs, etc. Now, why skeleton is there? We have a brain. Our brain is inside our skull. Skull is a part of the skeleton system. It is very hard. So the soft brain inside our skull is protected there. It is safe. When it is protected, it is safe. Then what happens? Then it doesn't get hurt. So one of the most important part of our skeleton is to protect the internal parts or internal organs of our body. Now, muscular system. I told you our body is made up of skeleton, that means bones and muscles. Above that skeleton system, we have our muscles. So the muscular system is made up of muscles, but obvious there are about 639 muscles in the body, human body. Underline it. Remember, 206 bones, 639 muscles. The muscles along with bones help us in body movements. Now, the movement of our hand, wrist, leg, our body from one place to another, ankles, we lie down, we sit. So these are what? Body movements. How it is possible? With the help of skeleton and muscles when they come together. Now, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system. These and reproductive system. These are many more systems. We will read about them in the next class. Till then, go through the chapter, read the organ system, the organs, the skeleton and muscular system. I again repeat, children, I can anytime ask you to give your copies, to give your work. Kindly complete all the copy work given to you up till now. Okay? So read the chapter and see you in the next class. Bye children.